High above the azure coastlines and lush greenery of Sri Lanka, Birdman, the enigmatic hero known for his supernatural abilities, soared gracefully across the sky. His visor-clad eyes scanned the expanse below, drinking in the breathtaking scenery. Emerald forests stretching out like nature's arms, embracing villages dotted with thatched roofs and busy markets alive with the chatter of daily life. Among the scenic hills, a child frolicked with a vibrant kite, its tail swaying energetically in the breeze. But the innocent play turned perilous as a sudden gust of wind pushed the young kite flyer dangerously close to the mountain's edge. The laughter turned to cries for help, echoing through the hills. Swooping down like an avian sentinel, Birdman caught the child mid-fall, cradling him safely in his powerful appendages. As they hovered above the abyss, time seemed to pause, the world holding its breath until they touched ground once more. The villagers, who had feared the worst, now cheered in relief and gratitude, surrounding the child and his savior. The child's eyes sparkled with a mixture of awe and reverence as he gazed at Birdman. "You saved me," the boy exclaimed, joy outweighing the lingering fear. In gratitude for his new lease on life, the child solemnly offered Birdman a boon, a symbolic gesture deeply embedded in the traditions of his culture. After a moment's consideration, the child requested Birdman's aid in expelling the robbers who plagued their village, sowing fear and chaos amongst the peaceful community. Taking a deep, resolute breath, Birdman nodded, accepting the child's boon as a call to duty. As twilight descended, draping the land in hues of purple and gold, Birdman set out to fulfill his promise. With the winds as his allies, he swiftly navigated the village, a silent guardian determined to bring peace back to the place he had come to admire only moments ago. The robbers, entrenched in their lairs, soon found themselves confronted with the heroic force of nature that was Birdman. What they thought was a lucky day for their illicit schemes turned to panic as they witnessed a supernatural justice sweeping across their ranks. By dawn, the village was rid of its malevolent shadows, with Birdman vanquishing the last of the outlaws amid cheers of triumph from the villagers. Birdman had not only saved a child's life, but had also restored peace to a troubled village, furthering the legend of the winged guardian in the skies above Sri Lanka.